Hey guys! It's Jane. Welcome to my channel. In today's vlog, I'll be sharing with you my pasalubong omiyage or presents for my family and friends to the Philippines part 2. So let's get started. So first, all the things that I'm gonna share with you are on the floor. So first, this one is a pair of shoes from Merrill. It cost 14,000 yen or 6,500 pesos in the Philippines. It's kind of pricey, but the good news is I bought this when they were on sale. I bought this only for 5,000 yen or for 2,500 pesos in the Philippines. Whenever the shoes are on sale, I usually buy 1 or 2 pairs of shoes for my family. Shoes are kind of expensive in Japan, so if you're on a budget, try to buy shoes when they're on sale. So the next one that I have for you is, of course, chocolates. We Filipinos, we love sweets, we love chocolates. Look too. The flavor is matcha or green tea. I think it's yummy, so I bought this for my family and friends as pasalubong. And also, I have here Meiji black chocolate and white chocolate for my mom because she really likes chocolate, white chocolate to be specific. Kit Kat matcha. This product is very popular with Chinese tourists. Sometimes when they go to Japan, they buy boxes of this. So I thought this product was already phased out, but yesterday I was lucky to find this product, so I'm sharing it with you. Kit Kat matcha is a good pasalubong for your family and friends. Okay, so the other one that I have for you, and my mom always asks me to buy for her, is this. This is a laundry net. Aside from using this as a laundry net, you can also keep your undies here. So my mom always asks me to buy this for her. So the next one that I have for you is beauty products. Okay, so I love giving beauty products. This one is a lip mask, point pads, facial mask for the girls. I also have this cream eyeshadow for my sister, and also I'm wearing it on my eyelids. This one is honey beige. The color is honey beige from Excel. Excel is a famous makeup brand in Japan. This one is for 950 yen or around 400 to 470 pesos. My friend who is from Okinawa, an Okinawan lady, sells panty liners, cotton panty liners. So I also bring some of this in the Philippines as pasalubong and some as products to sell. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. If you are going to Japan for a short vacation and you're looking for ideas what to give to your family and friends, I hope this video helps you. Please subscribe and tap the bell button down below to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you on my next one. Bye!